yeah. See my whole team and you know where to find us. Yeah, you know where to find me. Hey, I'm drowning in grace. When I look at my past, somehow it don't match on my...
Hello everyone, my name is Gweth, and in today's video I'll be doing DIY deep conditioning. For a while now, I've been doing an 8-week twist season where I've been doing twists back to back but refreshing them every 2 weeks or every week depending on how my hair is. So this is my last week of this twist season. I've really enjoyed it actually. Anyway, I want to do my hair tonight, like wash it, refresh it and everything, and so I've decided to do a DIY deep conditioner before I wash my hair. So if you'd like to learn about this deep conditioner, then keep watching. So this is how I mix those ingredients. I'll be combining every 2 twists into one as I apply this deep conditioner. I don't like applying deep conditioner to dry hair, so I have my spray bottle. This would have been a nice twist out. Oh, look at that juice. Ah! Honey is a humectant, so it absorbs moisture from the surrounding. And basically what that means is that this DIY hair mask or hair treatment or deep conditioner, whatever you want to call it, restores moisture to the hair. And my hair loses moisture very fast because it's low porosity. Doing moisturizing treatments and deep conditioners is very helpful to restore the moisture balance in my hair. I read that honey smoothens the hair cuticle, and so who doesn't want smooth hair? If your hair is very rough, you should try this. like, this isn't something you should do all the time, just once in a while. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope that you found this video informative and useful, and that you'll try this out. So comment down below, maybe if you've tried this before, or you've heard of it before, or you're going to try it, or what you think about it, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Okay, until next time.